We've all gathered here today. It's going to be the 40th year today. I mean, 1980 we began in Gyan Bharati. I think most of us here began our schooling in Gyan Bharati. And we are the batch class of 1995, all of us. And what we've really taken on from here is that I think our friends. So this group of 6 and many more in our batch, but we thought we'll get together and we really talk about our some of our memories, fond memories in school. So let me start with Soumya, Aka Chinky, or Chinky Aka Soumya. So we used to call her Chinky. So Chinky, tell us a little bit about your journey. What was it like in school for you?
So I think we were the earliest batches of Gyan Bharati, and my earliest memories have been the red building, Kapoor sir, the long assemblies that we used to have. And for teachers, I remember starting out with Madhu Bijlani ma'am, and then Nutan ma'am. We had many great teachers, Nishi Mishra ma'am, and I would like to say she was very instrumental in getting my name changed from Chinky to Soumya. And then in higher classes, Nutan ma'am and Savita Shingari. It's given me a lot of memories and I think wonderful friends that I would never ever forget. Thank you so much, Gyan.
So amazing. And you know, I have a feeling, Soumya, that a lot of what you've said resonates with, I think, all of us, not just the people here, but with all of us. But I'm going to move on to Nishant. Nishant, tell us a little bit about what you were like in school. What is it that really made it special for you to be from Gyan Bharati?
I was also in the same batch as commerce batch as Soumya when I passed out, and we had great memories from from the time we got into. So we were I think one of the few batches who did join in nursery and went out to pass on in the 12th, and that's what kept our bonding strong, because we've spent so much time together. I think it's like we've spoiled our whatever we've learned, or whatever we shouldn't have learned was happening together. So the parties that we used to have post school at our place or anybody else's place, all that we did, the house functions for which we used to stay back at, those were great memories, and we were the fortunate ones to have spent so much time with Kapoor sir and Chaturvedi ma'am. After that, I think that was the last session, probably batch which underwent the entire session with them. And then we had teachers who were there from our nursery till the time we passed out, like Madhu Bijlani ma'am. Then I think two Nishi Mishra ma'am, both. There was one who was teaching us Hindi, and Kaushalya Nagri ma'am, and Shinghari ma'am, everybody of them. So all of them, touched. And the best part after that was that I've been able to maintain a touch with quite a few of those teachers, also through social media, whatever. And it's very heartening. They still remember all of us. We connect on the phone at on occasions, the New Year's, etc., etc. But it's a very good bonding which we were able to create, and that's what has I think given us a platform as to do well in our lives, or whatever, however we look at it, because we had this opportunity of working with them throughout, and that is when the teachers used to connect with us as a parent. I think they knew our parents very well. There was a bonding between them as well, unlike I think the system right now. But that's the time we spent with Gyan Bharati.
This is so amazing, Nishant. You touched upon 2-3 very I think very significant instrumental things that shaped probably all of our lives. The first thing being, while you said that we are one of the few batches who went from nursery to right up to 12th, but if you really look at it, we are the only batch. In 1980 we were in nursery, and 1995 we were out of school. So our batch is a special one. That's how I always look at it, and I'm sure all of you agree with that. That's one. And second bit, of course, you mentioned Kapoor sir and Chaturvedi ma'am. So he was the founder. I think nothing could be as special as what he created for all of us. And the third thing, I think you literally took words from my mouth, that the parents, the relationship between the parent and teachers, they're friends. Like even my mom is friends with Luton Man today. Even, and we are all already in touch with so many of our teachers. So yeah, that's amazing, and I think each moment has touched our lives. So let me move to Vyom. Vyom, tell us a little bit about your most favorite teacher, and what really shaped you. I know you were on the prefectorial team as well. Besides other things, I mean, I know of the other side of Vyom, and then there's another side of Vyom. We are friends, so we know everything about each other. But give us the two contrasts that you have seen in the school life.
Yeah, I think a lot of stuff that Nishant's spoken about, and Chinky and Soumya spoken about. You've touched upon the certain things. It's been 25 years since we've left school, but it just looks like, and feels like it was just yesterday that we left school, especially because of all the friendship bonds that we've kind of forged over these number of years that we've been together, almost 40 years now, if you talk about it. So I guess one of the things that very early came on, especially because we were under Kapoor sir and Chaturvedi ma'am as the founder, director and the principal of the school, was the humility and the humbleness that they created in the school. I think these are the values that got instilled very early in our lives, and that's the reason even today we kind of want to pass that on to our children. What was very special about the school at that time, if you remember, was that the school kind of promoted very, very heavily sports activity. So our school was probably one of the only schools which had so many sporting activities which were available very, very openly. In fact, there was horse riding, which was one of the very premium things that used to happen in very few schools that I know of. And that was the reason why I think Gyan Bharati came in our lives as a way of forging all these relationships. In fact, all the teachers that we started under through pre-primary, primary, middle school, and senior schools, all of us instilled certain amount of values. I remember my days when computers was just introduced in class 6, and we used to look forward to going to air-conditioned rooms because our classes were not air-conditioned. Was one of the biggest things that the school had done at that time. Nishant spoke about the house functions. We used to eagerly look forward to when our house would kind of participate in those house functions. The sports, yes, we were a very sporting school, so we participated in a lot of district level competitions like basketball, tennis, football, cricket, and that itself gave me a very, very different dimension to the kind of person that I am today, because being in sports, kind of taking part in the cultural activities, academics, shaped what we are today, I think, as we've turned out in life. So one of my favorite teachers, if you ask me, was our geography teacher, Meera Bahukandi. She was a great mentor. I think she was very, very open about talking about issues and stuff that we would have faced as we were getting into our adolescent life. And she was kind of very, very magnanimous in terms of understanding where we were coming from. So I think she was one of our guides, and I really, really kind of remember her as one of our greatest teachers that I've been under. But having said that, I think what we've done so far is we've formulated a personality. We've got some great friendships going on, and those are my biggest takeaways from that school.
Wow, thank you so much, Vyom. And and while you all are speaking, I'm also trying to give my set of memories. So one of the things that I really remember is how the red building that we had in Gyan Bharati, the red brick building. I think one of the most favorite aspects, and that huge ground. I don't think any other school I knew at that time had such a huge ground. मुझे याद है कि literally जो Vyom ने बोला, humility, right? So one of the things, and it may sound really odd in today's world, but one of the things that I remember distinctly what we used to do is we actually used to go and pick stones जो हमारा playground होता था, we were asked in our, I don't know what kind of period it used to be, but we used to PT period. Okay, so one of the things we used to do was actually clean up the ground. So it was dignity of labor that we were learning at that particular point in time. And today
Although
also,
we didn't know that it was,
sorry, Byo?
Although we didn't know that it was dignity of labor at that time.
We didn't know. Yeah, you're right. We didn't know. We didn't know at all at that point in time. But I think that has stayed with me. Sab kuch haath se karna, it's fine to do what we have to do, what we need to do, and I really wish that we had more people like Kapoor sir who would have started such schools and instilled this. In any case, so what I was sharing with you was that we had the old building, and then we had the new building, so that's how we used to call it. And then the KG block or the nursery block, which was this really nice round building with this ramp that came up. And then the auditorium came up. So I think we saw it grow in front of our eyes. As we were growing, the school was growing. And it was amazing. So I'm going to ask Pooja. Pooja, you've been, one of the earliest people that I have known. And what has really inspired you? What has made a difference to your life being in Gyan Bharati?
Firstly, I would like to say, why my father put me in Gyan Bharati was because of Mr. Kapoor. The only reason I was in Gyan Bharati was because it's Mr. Kapoor's school. Because I used to ask my dad all the time that why not any other school? He said Mr. Kapoor is the best, which I totally agree now. He was one of the best mentors we had. And the kind of things which we used to have in school, I don't know if you guys remember, we used to have all the instrumental maestros who used to come to our school, from Zakir Hussain to Saad Bismillah Khan. Yeah. And we used to have those assemblies where these people, none of the schools I have seen, like my son is now in class 12th, I've not seen him having these fancy assemblies which we used to have. In fact, most of the schools don't even have the assemblies which we've had. The prayer still is in my mind. I know all the shloks which we had learned as a kid. So yeah, another thing was yoga. I think yoga is something which we started in class KG. Until now, I do yoga almost every day because of my school. And Sanskrit, another thing which was a compulsory thing.
From class 1.
We used to have, yes. We used to have Sanskrit from class 1 till 8. And after that, I had opted for Sanskrit. So I've done Sanskrit for 10 years. And today, when I have to read any shloks, it's not at all difficult. My husband always says, "Tekho to aate, you do it." So, it's very easy. And apart from that, I made the best of my friends. My best friendships came from Gyan Bharati. You all are there for me all the time. And it's been like almost 39, 40 years. And anytime I need you, middle of the night, I can call you guys and I know you'll be there for me. So yeah, best friendships, I can say. And I always tell my son that the best of my friends, I do have friends, we may not meet each other every day or, every month, but I can still count on you guys anytime. So yeah, best friends. And these are one of my favorite memories, the friends I've made in school. Apart from that, my favorite teacher was Miss Nishi Mishra, who I believe now is the principal of the school. And other than her, there were many more. There was Kumar ma'am and Savita Shinghari. I'm still in touch with her, so, I can say that, yeah, she's been one of my most favorite teachers. And because of her, I never took any kind of tuition in class 11th or 12th. She was so good in her teaching that we never needed any tuition. So, yeah, these were one of my favorite things. That's about it, I think. I can go on and on, but...
I know, Pooja, and what's amazing is that at least whatever each one of you has said is applicable to me. So I'm assuming that jo bhi tum logon ne sab kaha hai, tum ek dusre, it applies on all of you. So yeah. I think it's just the same for all of us.
But yeah, another thing which was one of the most fondest memories was the school concert which we had once, and the school trip. Because in our span of 13 years, we only had one concert and one school trip. So yeah, those were two memorable moments.
Awesome. So thank you so much, Pooja. Sid, you tell us, like you've got a lot. I mean, I know we used to have all the parties at your place, right? our parents had they built friendships. It's like my mom knew your mom and was then allowing me to come to your parties, and that was the case for all of us. We forged friendships like that, right? So you were our go-to person for many, many things. A lot of fun that we've had, and our connects have come from you being the center point there. Tell us a little bit about some hidden aspects of your school life. Fun
You really
aspects, party aspects. Yes?
You really want me to go there, Priyambi?
Yes. Whatever you can share.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's make another censored video and I'll cover all of that over there. Okay. But no doubt, I completely agree with everything that has been said over here. That goes without saying, right? A lot of the friendships, anything said about Mr. Kapoor, everything that he did for the foundation that he created. I'll just go a little deeper into the foundation part, primarily because I'm a proud father of 3 kids who are all in middle or senior school at this point. And there is not a day that goes by where I have to tell them something that I don't reflect back on what I am as a person. And what I am as a person has largely been defined by what Mr. Kapoor stood for. All of the things about being a strong individual, everything about being a team player, everything about being a team player, but then having your individuality. You know, a lot of those things that he believed in was taught to us by the teachers who would see him as the leader that he was. So absolutely no doubt in my mind that what a great educator he was. And the years that we spent, or I think for most of us, I was there till year 10, the years that we spent with him and with Mrs. Chaturvedi as the vice principal in those years were really, they define who we are as individuals today. A lot of fun memories beyond what was taught in the classroom. We had house functions, we had the annual, I always forget the name, we had that Independence Day thing that would happen. Priyambi would remember, you know, the one we had to wear the kurtas and the jeans and everything.
And the drum bit, sports day.
Right. So,
We had
so
to
a
add that
lot of the things
play.
correct. The play that would be very inclusive of, 12th grade students and 8th grade students, so we participated in a lot of things which were going beyond our classrooms. It was going beyond our house. So a lot of collaborative things that would happen. I don't know if you remember, I hope you guys remember, but we had those project boards outside our classroom that we had to work as teams with, a lot of the things, the creative, the artwork, right? So we had to put up so we had class boards, we had house boards, and the amount of time, not just the house boards, but even the space in front of it in which we had to make these science projects with volcanoes and whatnot. It is just amazing the amount of creative channels that we had growing up. On the other side of the classroom, we had the tennis courts, and beyond the tennis courts lay the boundary wall that was a little easy to breach. So a lot of fun memories.
Right at the end of the football field.
Right. So a lot of fun hours, not just in the classroom, but a good amount of time spent outside of the classroom in the time we were not quite studying, especially the Sanskrit classes. I still wonder why we learned Sanskrit, and I don't know, Pooja had nice things to say about it, but I still wonder why. And what else? I think that was a lot of fun years, a lot of friendships, a lot of good times. There's really nothing that I don't look back almost on a daily basis that reminds me of Gyan Bharati. And having the cohort and friends over here is a testament to that.
Do you guys remember we used to go for those movies to the theater? Anupam.
My God, I was just thinking about that.
Yeah.
Anupam. What is now PVR used to be Anupam Cinema.
Anupam. We all used to walk in a line.
And I remember watching and how the prefects used to, ensure that all the kids were, reaching safe and sound. Of course, I'm sure there were a few people who defected from there. from there, but I mean, that's part and parcel of growing up. I think we can look back and we laugh at it today. we understand when our kids are doing what they're doing, why they're doing it. I think largely it came from the acceptance that we had at school of certain things. But I remember Nutan ma'am actually coming up, and so me and Vyom were prefects, we were discipline prefects. So we were actually told to look at the length of the skirts, okay? Yeah, the belts pehni hai ki nahi. And
I think you and Vyom had differing opinions on the length it should have been.
I'm sure. But it is also a fact that do you guys remember that we used to have these duties on the staircase duties?
People on the ramp.
On the ramp. At that point in time, I used to wonder, kyun khade for us? It used to be, theek hai, khade hain, and we are doing what we are supposed to be doing. But today, I really recollect those, and I say, here we were actually being responsible for whatever is happening, the whole decorum of the school. There was some sense of responsibility that was being inculcated in us as we were growing up. So yeah, it was amazing. Of course, at that point in time, I think we rebelled a lot. I remember so categorically where and Nutan ma'am. So again, Nutan ma'am के साथ में तो अब हम जब share करते तो हम ऐसे ही करते कि मैम क्या किया करते थे वो तो चोटियां वोटियां भी बना देती थी. She used to बाल खुले हुए हैं तो चोटियां बनती थी. I don't know today also that's happening, but when we tell her this today,
nails check होते थे, handkerchief check होता था.
If I were to show you my nails, I wouldn't be allowed today in school. I don't know about that, but तू क्या बोलती? What were you saying?
I used to have that fringe, and
you have bangs.
Yeah, so we used to put a pin here.
I think in all great memories, all of us, and will always stay with us.
I think will always stay with us.
Yeah,
we'll always. So
I think
I just want to also ask you guys, Nish.
What I was saying is, one of the great things is that, if you like Siddharth just mentioned, he left in '93, and a lot of our friends who are connected but not here today are the ones who left in '93. But since we were together for so long, and Siddharth still is one of the link pins, who's connected all of us together. And Monia have been connected because we spent so much time together. So after that, a lot of us have gone to diverse courses. We split in terms of sections, we split in terms of schools, then we split in terms of careers. Even some of them have split in terms of, countries. But all of them are still connected and, very easily approachable. And that's because of the fact that we've all, spent so much time together, bonded and done so much extracurricular together. So I remember, when these house functions used to happen, my mom used to carry lunch after the school was over because we used to stay back, and she used to carry what Siddharth used to like, not what I used to like, So Siddharth would tell her, one day once, I want kadhi chawal tomorrow, and I hated it. But she used to get that. I was wondering what was happening. So all that bonding used to happen, that accessibility, knowing each other's family in and out. It's not limited to, just interacting with each other. So knowing all of that was great fun, that we didn't have to think about, my parents didn't have to think, Siddharth your party mein ja raha hai, to ye karna padega. We have to think about our kids right now. I think that flexibility and that independence which we enjoyed, probably people don't enjoy today.
So true. So I'm going to take on two things from what you just said, Nishant, and one of them is career. So I think just for the purpose of, because we've all grown in our lives, whatever we've done, and I think we just share in a line about each of you what you're doing. So Chinky, Soumya, what are you doing? All of you just say,
Yeah,
Sorry?
I'm an ITA professional and been in this field for the last 20 years now.
Superb. All right, Vyom?
Currently, I'm in the EdTech industry. So I'm currently head operations for the South Asia region, working for an Australian multinational company. I've been in this field for the last 18 years now. And doing a fantastic experience so far. Thanks, man.
Awesome. Nishant?
So now I'm in a social enterprise where I'm working with Handloom Weavers of India and, giving them a space online and trying to take it across the globe. That's it.
Wow.
Nishant, you're so humble here. You're a pastry celebrity, boss.
I know.
Thank you.
Siddharth?
I've spent 13 or 14 years of my life in the US, returned back to India in 2010 to join my family business, which is an engineering company with my dad. Quite a successful business, and right now working with my father, helping him grow that, and also a part of a very exciting new venture for indoor rock climbing in Delhi. So that's something that I launched personally last year. So great things, and good to be part of the businesses I'm involved with.
I
Yeah,
think
absolutely. So one of the
host a picnic there, your Client Central.
Client Central.
Yeah, absolutely,
yeah.
absolutely.
Because I remember we used to go to picnics to Dollhouse and Doll Museum and all that. I think
Yeah.
कितनी बार जा चुके हैं.
Yeah, I think we
Excursions,
went.
what they're called today.
Excursions जाते थे. They were so important, yeah. Sitting in the park and eating food with everyone. But let Pooja
right.
complete, and I have a point to make. But let Pooja complete, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm taking care of my dad's business. We have a manufacturing unit of diesel fuel injection pump test benches. It's a family business, and I'm helping my dad with that.
All right, lovely. And like what I'm doing is I'm also in HR for the last. Actually, I've done a variety of things, from having my own business to being a consultant to being an HR professional in the industry. And what I can see, if we look at this MyRide, group out here, what we see is that we're in all facets. We've done what we've done. Someone's joined their dad's business. Someone is following their heart and passion, like Siddharth has taken off. He loves mountaineering, and he's brought it to the kids here, or people or generations here. What Nishant is doing is phenomenal, because he's actually working with the weavers in Banaras and probably elsewhere also. And has his own concern called Weaver Story. Vyom had his own business, which has been taken over by the Australian companies. He's actually sold that. Chinky is, an HR professional, impacting so many lives, as she is in this profession for, as she said, about 18 odd years now. Pooja has joined her father's business. Who would have thought that? I mean, sorry to sound cliched, but I think when we were kids, we did not have women join a father's business. I don't think. I mean, I might be sounding old, but just being very clear. So, I mean, I think look at that. Look at Vyom, you're laughing, but I really mean it.
I think, look, you raised some very valid points. And the thing is that the beauty of this entire, myriad of, people working in different areas is that we enjoy each other's success. I think, and we kind of, collaborate and share knowledge and information amongst each other. So if there was something that I needed from Nishant, or something that I needed from you, Priyanki, or from Pooja, or from Chinky, I think you guys will be the first ones that, will give that information. And we often do that. So, Sid and me and collaborate on different areas. We've kind of, dabbled around in certain ideas and stuff. So I think that kind of spirit just binds all of us together, because there's so much to share and so much of, innovation that keeps running through, especially in these times when technology is the king. So, I think it's fantastic. Even today, we're kind of having this kind of, group chat and, recording this for our school. It just goes on to say where this might lead on to next. Maybe a virtual meeting, who knows that?
Absolutely, who knows that? And, one thing I want to just bring out is, it's just not me, I think, and Pooja, even your siblings, like I've had we have 3 of us here. All 3 of us have passed out, 3 sisters. So through the years, there have been changes, and each of us is doing well. So it's not just this group, but across batches, it is impacted so positively. Yeah, I mean, I just can't thank all of you enough. You are, how do I say, my go-to people when I want to share something. And it could be, we've been very formal on this, by the way, but you know what we are like. We are like these chuddy buddies and chuddy buddies, backslappers. We just get together, and that's the fun. And I thank God that I was in GBS. And we had houses like ABCD, LKPP, LKPS. If you recollect, Abhimanyu, Bharat.
There was no C. It was Dhruv.
There was no C. ABDK. Sorry, ABDK.
Right.
She has a C.
Lakshmi Bai, Prahlad, Shravan and Siddharth.
Shravan and Siddharth. So LPSS. So it was, I think we used to connect so much during house functions. जो practices होती थी after school practices. I think that was phenomenal because there was a lot of fun times of school. Look at Vyom. What are you recollecting? क्या याद आ रहा है Vyom? You can share out here.
Yeah, no, I will in that censored video that Siddharth's going to put up after this.
Great. That doesn't go out, but yeah. So, all right, I think that's pretty much. Is there anything else that you all would want to share?
I thought somebody
No,
actually
thank you
mentioned the
so
group
much.
earlier in this conversation that we were all going to do a group song.
All right. So, Pooja, why don't you start off with the school prayer, or should we sing the patriotic songs that we used to sing?
Sing whatever you want to. I'm with you.
All right. So let's go with the patriotic song.
Okay.
Especially
Alright.
15th August around the corner, so I think
Yes.
that's going to just add to the fervor. Yeah.
We'll do Dharti Bati.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right. Okay.
All
So
right.
what? I mean, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's have it there.
Dharti
धरती
Bati,
बाटी सागर
सागर
बाटा
बाटा,
मत
मत बाटो
बाटो
इंसान
इंसान को
को,
मत बाटो
मत बाटो इंसान
इंसान
को,
को